Okay, to install Rosetta Home on Linux Mint 20, start your terminal and type sudo apt install boinc-client boinc-manager-y. Okay, when that's done, you can close the terminal and launch the boinc manager. And the first time you run it, you will choose your project. I'm going to do Rosetta at Home. And then click Next. Okay, if you're an existing user, click Yes. If not, click No there and enter an email address and password. And then click Next when you're done. And then Finish. And it's going to open up the project web page. And then you'll click OK to finish the account setup. And you can change some of your settings here on this web page. And then back to boinc manager. Once it downloads the jobs, it'll start working and look something like this. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.